How to change email in Amazon account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change email in Amazon account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Amazon.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Amazon. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to change your email, tap on your name and a drop-down menu will appear. Tap on the account option you see there, and further, tap on the login and security option. You will then see your email. Tap on the edit button beside your email address. You will then be asked to enter your new email. So go ahead and enter your new email and tap on the continue button. You will now receive an OTP in the email address you just entered. So go ahead and enter the OTP in here and tap on the continue button and further enter the password related to your account and tap on the save changes button, and with this, your email will be changed. So, this is how you can change email in Amazon account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Chains for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.